Hello and welcome to this new course in which I'm going to teach you how to build your own Arduino library. This is Educational Engineering Team. So, have you ever wanted to simplify or automate a task using an Arduino board? If your answer was yes, then have you ever wanted to simplify the code required for that task into a collection of easy to follow, easy to use, easy to implement functions? If your answer is also yes, then this course is for you. In this course, I'm going to teach you how to make your very own Arduino library, how to write your own Arduino library code, how to add that library to your Arduino project, and how to use it inside any Arduino code that you are writing. Creating a library will help you minimize the, let's say, amount of code required in a single code when you have repetitive tasks or you have tasks that require a very long code. So when you divide your code into libraries, you are making it easier for others to read your code, you are making it easier for yourself to implement that code, and you are for sure helping yourself and others getting a clean project file. So in this course, I'm going to take you in a step-by-step guide on how to write your very own Arduino library. Depending on your project, we are going to explain first how to make an Arduino library for a simple project and how you can scale that on a much larger project and a much larger piece of code. That's it for the intro. I'm sure that you will enjoy this course. It's a very advanced lesson in Arduino, so if you are looking to go to the next step in Arduino programming, then this course is for you. See you inside. Happy learning from all of us here at Educational Engineering Team.